Let's look at how a breadboard works. So here we have the breadboard. And as you can see, there are a lot of connections. So for starters, these are the power rails, or buses, which are used for connecting the power supply. So you have your positive and negative rails here. Now these here are your component lines, where you can see that each row is connected perpendicularly to each other in series. There are also number and letter markings for columns and rows, which makes it easier to follow building instructions or to make schematics. So for example, E21 would be here, and so on. Now on most breadboards, there is a channel down the middle, which disconnects the lines. This can be very useful for using IC chips, etc. Now there are many different sized breadboards which can have slightly different layouts. For example, here is a mini breadboard, where essentially it's the same otherwise, but there are no power rails.